me out. I wanted to make my mama proud of me. I was very much appreciative of what she's done for my brother and sister and I.
Your attention, for example, is mediated by unconscious forces. And you know that perfectly well. And this is
Hello everyone. Have you ever felt nervous or stuck when you're trying to speak English?
I am Islamic person, but said in Hindi, my
Have you ever realized that you're trying to speak English but words and phrases are not coming out of your mouth? Do you wish you could express yourself more confidently and fluently in conversation? Well, you're not alone. Many of us face the same challenges, and that's exactly why I'm here to help you. Hey guys, this is your friend and host Elias. Welcome back to my channel where I explore and you acquire. And if you're new on my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips on mastering English. In today's video, I'm going to share 6 creative and effective tips to entirely improve your English speaking skills, whether you are a beginner or trying to refine your skills. These methods will help you to speak English fluently and confidently without wasting lots of money in different institutes. You can improve your speaking skills from the comfort of your home or office. Guys, if you stay tuned till the end of this video, you will get a special bonus tip that will supercharge your English speaking skills. So guys, without further delaying, let's get started. Tip number 1. Immerse yourself in English. The best way to get better at speaking English is to surround yourself with the language. I know you guys might be thinking that you do it all the time but you don't get benefit from it. But let me tell you guys, if you do it in a specific way, then definitely will be getting benefit from it. How you have to do it? Do this exercise daily for 15 to 20 minutes. Listen podcasts, watch movies, watch a favorite content on YouTube. Read books. Do all this stuff and try to define your experience, what you have learned through this in English. You can write it down, whatever you have learned, what you have watched, what you have listened. You can write all those things, all those experience, and you can also comment in the comment section of that particular movie or YouTube channel. And this is your first stage, guys, where you are facing English from everywhere. You're listening, you're watching, you're reading. That means you're immersing and you are surrounded by the English language. By the way, what's your favorite book? Can you comment me in the comment section? Tip number 2. Practice English speaking. Practice speaking English with others is one of the best way to improve your communication skills. How you are gonna get this chance? You can communicate with your friends, teachers, or whoever you find interested in conversation. Guys, if you connect with any customer care executive for any issues, like you have problem with your SIM card, you have issues with your gas cylinder, or you have ordered something and you have to communicate with an executive agent, delivery boy. So try to talk with them in English, because this will help you a lot to release your hesitation and you can become confident. And by the way, you're getting a chance to test yourself how well you can speak or how do you speak in English, because they're not gonna criticize you, and ultimately you will get a chance to test yourself. By the way, have you ever experienced talking like this to any executive agent or any customer care agent? Please share your experience in the comment section. Tip number 3. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself helps you identify pronunciation errors and track your progress. Pick a topic, try to speak for few minutes and listen it critically and find all those mistakes, errors which you have done in your speaking practice. And if you have guts, guys, share this video with a friend for feedback. They can guide you well, they can find your mistakes and tell you you have done so many mistakes in your recordings, in your conversation, and by this you can learn easily from there. Isn't it very beautiful? Tip number 4. Learn vocabulary in context. Learning new words in context has a better retention rate than rote memorization. Let me explain this. Learning new words in context means understanding and remembering words by seeing how they are used in sentences and phrases rather than just memorizing lists of words. This method is very effective because it helps you understand how these words work in real life situations, understanding the meaning and use them correctly. Create your own sentences with these new words and incorporate them into your daily conversation. Tip number 5. Use technology to your advantage. There are numerous apps and tools designed to help you improve and practice your English speaking skills. Use apps like Clappingo, Joe Talks, Real Life English, Duolingo, and ChatGPT or AI assist you to become a confident and fluent English speaker. By the way, what is your English learning app? Let us know in the comment section so that we can learn from there and build our communication skills more strong. Tip number 6. Stay consistent and patient. Improving your English speaking skills doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent practice and persistence. Let me show you some inspirational quotes. Select realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate small victories. A river cuts through rocks not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Share me one small success you have had for learning English recently. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson till now. It's time for a special bonus tip that will supercharge your English speaking skills. What this tip is? This is shadowing. Yes, shadowing is one of the best tools that can help you to improve your English speaking skills like a native. What do you have to do in this stage? You have to listen any native English speaker or anyone who speaks well in this language and repeat it simultaneously. And you have to make it a habit for every day. Start from small sentences, then move to larger one. And do you know what is the interesting thing in this stage you are going to learn? You're going to learn big and complex sentences and which you are going to incorporate them into your conversation, and you are going to be a confident and fluent English speaker. Remember guys, practice makes perfect. Use all these tips effectively and see amazing progress. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on mastering English. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep learning, stay safe. Goodbye.